Hi students, good morning. Welcome back to EduStar video class. You are watching class 5 Social Lesson 11 Pollution Part 2. In the last video class, we have discussed about air pollution and water pollution. Today, we are going to discuss about soil pollution, noise pollution and radioactive pollution. Shall we start? Soil pollution. Soil pollution is also known as land pollution. Soil gets polluted when harmful substances are released into it. Next, we will see about the causes of soil pollution. Soil gets polluted by means of two ways, by nature and another by human made activity. First we will see about by nature. Soil in volcanic areas and oil fields is often polluted by volcanic activity. This is why soil in these areas have no vegetation. Next we will see about human made activity. So soil gets polluted when many pesticides and fertilizers are mixed with the soil for growing crops. Soil pollution may also occur when people dump wastes from factories, farms, mines, hospitals and homes on land. So rainwater washes away such wastes and carries them deep into the soil. This makes the soil infertile and the underground water gets contaminated. So what happens? Soil becomes infertile, isn't it? So trees start dying, crops fail and the health of humans and animals get affected due to soil pollution. Soil pollution may cause headache, nausea and skin rash. In extreme cases, it can even cause cancer and can damage the kidney, liver and the nervous system. Next, we are going to see about noise pollution. This is another important pollution that we are facing now. Noise pollution is caused by excessive or unpleasant sound. This type of pollution is seen largely in cities and other densely populated areas because vehicles are the main reason for noise pollution. Sounds measured in decibels. The comfort level of sound for humans is 20 to 120 decibels. When we hear anything above 90 decibels, it becomes harmful for us. So now we are going to see causes of noise pollution. So noise pollution causes stress, irritation and in some cases it will lead to loss of hearing, means deafness. The sounds from loudspeaker, firecrackers, etc. also cause sound pollution or noise pollution. So, noise pollution also damage animal life. Is it clear, students? Next, we are going to discuss about radioactive pollution. Radioactive pollution refers to the release of ionizing radiation into the environment as a result of human activity. Ionizing radiation means X-ray. Hope you know about X-ray, isn't it? Okay. So, in other words, we can say radioactive pollution is the pollution caused by the release of radioactive substances into the environment during nuclear explosion, testing of nuclear weapons production, etc. Examples of nuclear materials are uranium, radium and plutonium. These may be used in the form of fuel or weapon. If nuclear material waste are not disposed properly, then it will be harmful to the human beings. Okay, so radioactive pollution may cause some health problems to the human beings. They are skin cancer, genetic disorder, generational disorder, etc. Now we are going to see nuclear disasters. Chernobyl disasters in Ukraine in 1986 and Fukushima Daiichi disaster in Japan 2011. So we completed lesson 11 pollution chapter. Now take your social book to do your book exercise. Take page number 74. Take your social book, refer page number 74. Use pencil to write the answer. First part A, fill in the blanks. First question, dash changes our environment. Answer is pollution. Second one, pollutants are of two types. Answer, natural and human made. Third one, land pollution refers to dash. Answer is soil pollution. Fourth one, sound is measured in dash. Answer, decibels. Fifth one, radioactive pollution is caused by dash substance. Answer, radioactive or nuclear. Part B. Match the following. First question, household garbages on streets. Answer is land pollution. C. Second one, uranium leak. Answer is radioactive pollution. E. Third one, rock concerts. Answer is noise pollution. D. Fourth one, chlorofluorocarbons. Answer is air pollution. A. Fifth one, oil spill. Answer is water pollution. B. Next part C, write T for true sentences and F for false sentences. First question, pollution is the contamination of land, water and air by harmful substances. Answer is true. Second one, all pollutants are human-made pollutants. Answer false. Third one, land pollution is also known as soil pollution. Answer is true. Fourth one, the comfort level of sound for humans is 200 to 240 decibels. Answer is false. Now take your classwork note to write answer the following in few words and answer the following in detail. Is it clear, students? Take a fresh page, write lesson name, lesson number and date using black stick pen. Okay, so write part D, answer the following in few words. Use black stick pen to write the question and blue pen to write the answer. First one, what is pollution? Answer, pollution is the contamination of land, water and air by harmful substances. Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and soil pollution are some types of pollution. Second one, what is air pollution? The mixing of harmful gases, dust, smoke and other particles in the air is called air pollution. Third one, what is the comfortable range of dB means decibels for humans? Answer, the comfort level of sound for humans is 20 to 120 decibels. Fourth question, name two nuclear minerals and two nuclear disasters. Two nuclear minerals are uranium and radium. Two nuclear disasters are Chernobyl disasters in Ukraine 1986 and the Fukushima Daiichi disaster in Japan 2011. Fifth question, what is radioactive pollution? Answer, radioactive pollution is the pollution caused by radioactive or nuclear material. Is it clear, students? Part E. Answer the following in detail. First question, what is environment and why is it important to protect it? Answer, our environment refers to our surroundings. It includes the people, places, objects. Flora means plants and fauna means animals of an area. We breathe air, we drink water, we live on land and we eat plants and animals. So, if any of these elements are damaged, it will affect us adversely. Therefore, we should protect our environment and keep it healthy. Second question, define air pollution, list its pollutants, gases and substances. For this, refer page number 71. Air pollution subtopic is given, isn't it? So, under that subtopic, full paragraph you need to write. Last two lines is there na. Air pollution causes cough, eye irritation and disease like asthma, bronchitis. No need to write the diseases names alone. So remaining everything you have to write. Is it clear, students? Third question, define water pollution. How is it caused by human activity? For this, refer page number 71. Water pollution subtopic is there, isn't it? So, you have to write water pollution is caused due to the introduction of pollutants into a water body. Up to that, you have to write. Then, see the third line. Human-made sources of water pollution are discharge of industrial waste into river, discharge of domestic garbage and lavatory matter into water bodies, oil spill in sea water, runoff from farms treated with pesticides. That 4 points you need to write. Is it clear? So next one, fourth question, define soil pollution. List how we contribute to it. For this, refer page number 72. Soil pollution subtopic is there, isn't it? So, see this first line, it happens. It happens is there, no? So strike off that it and write soil pollution. Soil pollution happens when pollutants cause soil to become infertile or unusable. And then see the last line. Human made activities causing land pollution are. Then see there 5 points given na. So you have to write all the 5 points. Improper disposal of household garbage on streets and in open drains. Improper disposal of contaminated medical garbage. Improper disposal or leakage of harmful chemicals in industrial areas. Fifth one, abandonment of open mines and construction sites. Last, excessive use of fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides in farming. So, I repeat again. Fourth question, define soil pollution. List how we contribute to it. For this, refer page number 72, soil pollution. Soil pollution happens when pollutants cause soil to become infertile or unusable. Human-made activities causing soil pollution or improper disposal of household garbage on streets and in open drains, improper disposal of contaminated medical garbage, improper disposal or leakage of harmful chemicals in industrial areas, abandonment of open mines and construction sites, excessive use of fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides in farming. Is it clear? So next one, fifth question. What is noise pollution? How does it affect us and our wildlife? For this, refer page number 72, noise pollution subtopic. That full paragraph you need to write. Start from noise pollution is the occurrence of loud, disruptive and unbearable sound. From there till that last to that last line, everything you have to write. Is it clear, students? Bye, students. Meet you all in the next video.